help. You see, not so stubby area is an interesting OSPF network type, which is kind of funny. Why? It is stubby means what? External areas are not, external networks are not allowed. Stubby means what? LSA type 4 and 5 not allowed. That is stubby. But external networks are seen. How is that? External type 4, type 5 is not allowed. That is stubby. But still I see external networks in the routing table. That is why they call it as not so. It is there, but it is not there. Something like that. It's not there. LSA type 4 and 5 is not there, but the external networks are there. How is that possible? Because the type 4 and 5 is denied. That is true if this is a not so stubby area. Type 4 and 5 entering here is not allowed, but local ASBR, this is local ASBR, will send the external network as type 7. That is why the routers of this area can see the external network. I repeat, in this autonomous system, you have two ASBR. Okay, one is router 1, shown in this picture. The other one is not shown in this picture. It is somewhere here, another ASBR. Okay, so the external networks are coming from this ASBR, which is denied. But the ASBR that is there local to the autonomous system still manages to give the external networks, because it's not going to give us type 4 or 5. When you configure an area as a not so stubby area, the external networks are sent as type 7. As a result, they are not stopped. You understand? What is the advantage of doing this? Advantage is the routers in the not so stubby area will only use this route. It won't go to this one. You understand? Because they don't have route for the other ASBR. Ask me a question if you don't understand. Let us go to our diagram. Let us go to this diagram. You see. Now, there are two ASBR, router 5 and router 10. Let's say the cost for router 7 and for router 6 to reach external via this direction is 100. Assume that is what I'm going to do. And cost to reach the external via this way is only 20 plus 10, which is 30 for this router and 40 for this router. So 7 router will choose this path only, isn't it? It won't go this way because it's 100 this way. Even router 6 will go will go only this way. It won't go this way. But I don't like this. Why I don't like this? Because router 7, if it goes out this way, my resources are not wasted. If it goes this way, cutting all my internal resource, my CPU is wasted, my bandwidth is wasted again, my bandwidth is wasted again, my CPU is. I don't like my traffic going through this path, through other areas. I just want every router in this area. See, we have only one router. Assume we have 300 router here. I want all this 300 router in area 20 only to go this way. For that, what I do is I block this type 4 and type 5 right here itself. And the same external network is coming this way. And this is the only way through which you receive the update. As a result, all the routers here will only go this way. Do you understand or not? That's the use case of not so stub area. In order to prioritize the local ASBR and ignore the ASBR of the other area, we need this. So I'm going to simulate this. They're all going via 6. Router 7 is going via 6. If I have another 20 routers inside here, all will go via router 6, wasting the process, bandwidth, all this stuff. Only nothing. Because, see, it is going via 6 because okay, that's a good question. Why it is going via 6? Let me see. On router 7, show IP route OSPF. So show IP OSPF database. I'm learning this only from type, router 5. Okay, I think there is a need for some troubleshooting. Go to router 6 and see. Show IP OSPF database. Here also it is learning only from 5. What about router 1? Okay, yesterday it was nice. Something went wrong. Show IP OSPF database. Okay, this is a stub area. No problem. So I have to check. On router 10, do I have neighbor? Router 10. Show IP route EIGRP. Made a mistake. Show IP route EIGRP. I'm learning the routes, no problem. I'm learning the routes from router 9. Maybe while redistributing there is some issue. Show run section router OSPF. There is no redistribution. Let's redistribute, okay? I think I did not save yesterday after redistributing. Router OSPF redistribute. No, I did on both. That's why you remember you are showing two routes for the same network. Okay. Now, what EIGRP we are running? Do show IP protocol. We are running EIGRP number 10 around 10. Redistribute EIGRP 10. And I'm going to say metric as 100. Okay. I'm giving metric as 100 and metric type as 1. So now I have 6. If you go now to router 7, earlier you were learning only from router 5. Now you will also learn from router 10. You see, each network you are learning both from 5 and 10. But which one it will choose? You know, it will choose to go via 5. Why? Because the cost is lower. You see, it is going to 6 and 6 to 5. You understand? The cost is only 40. In the other direction, what is the cost I have said? Ah, in case if this is shut down, I'll go and shut down on router 5. Now if you want to check, router 7 will go via 10. You see, it's going via 10. I gave 100 as a cost plus the link cost is 10, so 110. You understand? Make sure that you have both paths available. Correct. Now, even when router 5 is available, I want router 7 to go out on router 10. You understand? That's why I need to configure what? Not so stub area. Even when what? Even when router 5 is available. Now you see, even when router 5 is available, it should go via 10 only. Router 7 should go via 10. See, when 5 is up, it is going only via 6. But when I configure not so stub area, type 5, type 4 will be denied on router 6. It won't come inside any result. The only hope is, don't be silent, please. This is important time. If you say yes, we will go to next one. You are wasting time. Do you agree?